welcome to this Markets.com company profile of General Electric. I am your host, Luisana Suegar, and I'd like to thank you for joining us. Let's begin by reviewing some basic facts about GE. The company's headquarters are located in Fairfield, Connecticut. Thomas Edison founded the company 116 years ago in 1892. Today, GE has approximately 30,000 employees worldwide and a market capitalization of over $295 billion. General Electric has operations worldwide and has recently restructured the organizations into 4 divisions. These divisions are GE Technology Infrastructure, GE Energy Infrastructure, GE Capital, and NBC Universal. General Electric's CEO is Jeffrey Immelt. Keith Sharon is the CFO. Taking a look now at the stock market, GE is officially traded at 9 main national exchanges. Its main listing is on the New York Stock Exchange and is traded on 2 major indexes, the Dow 30 and the S&P 500 in the US. Let's go on to examine the company's reported financials for 2007. Reported revenues for GE came in over $172 billion, with net earnings reported at $22 billion. Taking a look at the balance sheet, total assets for the company were over $795 billion, with liabilities nearing $680 billion. Equities make up the difference at $115.5 billion. Let's keep talking numbers. The debt-to-equity ratio of the firm was sitting at 4.723. At the end of 2007, the company had close to 10 billion shares outstanding. On December 31st of that year, the stock closed at $37.07, but on August 12th of 2008, traded at $29.62. In 2007, the company paid out almost $12 billion in dividends to its shareholders. On to operations now. The company is the paradigm of a conglomerate company. It is one of the largest companies in the world involved in many different sectors. GE Technology Infrastructure is made up of the healthcare, aviation, and transportation and enterprise solutions. The GE Energy Infrastructure includes energy, oil, gas, and water, while GE Capital is made up of all the financial services that GE is involved in, including the handling of corporate treasury. Finally, NBC Universal is the company's media arm. Let's discuss the company's endeavors now. General Electric is using its resources to take advantage of new technology and the world's needs. These resources being their size, money, and talent. They want to leverage that so that it can be used appropriately in order to take advantage of new technology as it rolls out worldwide. What does this start with? Well, they want to make sure that they can create good products that people want to buy, and they want to focus on encouraging their workers to develop new concepts and innovative ideas. Over the last year and a half, the company has made a few acquisitions, those being Smith Aerospace and the Weather Channel, among others. There's also word that they will be getting rid of their appliance division through a spin-off. Meanwhile, the company has announced initiatives such as the big rollout of Ecomagination for sustainability, not to mention the bigger push it is making into online with its cable content at NBC Universal. Now, the company has taken a hit in its financial services division in the last year due to the credit crunch and the slowdown in real estate, which of course caused a slowdown in growth. It is looking to increase its business in infrastructure and sustainability areas to spur growth in the future. They are also diversifying further into developing markets, especially the BRIC nations, to meet trends in the worldwide marketplace. For now, however, the future seems uncertain because so much of GE business in the last 3 years came from financials, and that will take time to recover. With that said, we conclude our Markets.com company profile of General Electric. I'm your host, Luisana Suegar. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.